Welcome to the center of Madrid, Plaza Mayor. You're in 360 mode right now, so take your device and look around. This historic plaza was paid for by the guy behind me on the statue, Philip III. It looks very different today than it has over the centuries because it's burned down and been rebuilt a few times. And the last time it was rebuilt by the Habsburgs from Austria because they were occupying here. So it doesn't look very Spanish, but you are in the center of Madrid. You'll notice all the beautiful windows around and all the different apartments that were here originally to see whatever was going on in the plaza. There's beautiful art everywhere, and you'll even see some Greek and Roman-inspired frescoes that were just completed in the 1990s.
Look up at the richly colored buildings, whispering stories of centuries past. Spin your screen around and soak in the sun-drenched cobblestones. Imagine sipping a coffee at an outdoor table. This is the true essence of Madrid, a place to savor the simple pleasures, connect with friends, and let the city's energy wash over you.
Of course, you know, Spain and Madrid especially are known for great food. And in Madrid, you can go to markets anywhere and get tapas. If you want to get really important and special tapas, though, gourmet tapas from San Miguel are absolutely the best. This market's been around for over 100 years. It's right next to Plaza Mayor, and it's a wonderful place to check out.
This market is a feast for the eyes and the stomach, don't you think? Chat with friendly vendors, clink glasses with locals, and savor the contagious energy. Mercado San Miguel is more than just a market. It's a celebration of Spanish flavors and the art of living life to the fullest.
We're here in Retiro Park, which is a must-do when you come to Madrid. It's absolutely huge, though, so be prepared. There's a lot of separate areas to explore, like this beautiful formal garden behind me. In the next scene, we're going to take you to the artificial lake, where the previous royal owners of this estate went out and looked across the water and enjoyed boating.
This is the city's escape, a haven for quiet contemplation and carefree laughter. Imagine yourself renting a rowboat with the others you see here, oars dipping softly, the city fading into the distance. Breathe in the fresh air, take in the vibrant greens, and let the tranquility of Retiro wash over you. This is Madrid at its most serene, a reminder that sometimes the greatest adventures are found in the quiet moments.
We can't leave Retiro Park without giving you a beautiful view of the Crystal Palace, this all-glass, beautiful structure that's behind me that was built for an exposition back in the 1800s. It's absolutely gorgeous, and of course has this beautiful water view as well.
In this place, nature and architecture intertwine, creating a haven of peace and effortless beauty. Do you feel the electricity in the air? We're at the changing of the guard, a spectacle of pomp and tradition. Look around. Soldiers in crisp uniforms stand at attention or march in unison, sunlight reflecting off of polished brass helmets. Hear the drum beat, and the crowd hush in anticipation. This is more than just the changing of the guard. It's a glimpse into the soul of Spain, a reminder of its rich tapestry of tradition and pride. And you, my friends, are right in the heart of it all. Check out our library for the full Madrid City Guide or click the notification bell for new 360 degree and other videos.